Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing such an exciting unboxing. You guys, I'm so excited to unbox this bag with you. This is not a true unboxing because if you guys saw my last video, A, you may have seen her peeking out in the background, and B, you probably know that I recorded 2 videos with no audio because my mic decided to die. So she's back and working, but obviously this is not a true unboxing because I already filmed the true unboxing. So I will probably put some cutaways throughout this video just showing you guys me actually opening up the box. I did purchase this bag from Fashion File, so you will see me opening the actual Fashion File box and opening everything and basically me revealing to you the new bag that I got. Now I'm excited because this is actually my first handbag unboxing of 2023. You guys, it's almost June. It's gonna be June in like a week. Talk about killing it on this no buy right now. Well, low buy, because obviously I bought. Also, if you guys saw my 8 handbags that I'm loving right now, I'll link it right up here in case you missed it. You may know which one it is because it's definitely on that list. So take a moment, let me know in the comments if you saw that video. Let me know which one you think it is. But if you want to see what my new handbag is, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I feel like you're going to want to be here when I do. You like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like unboxings, you know, once every 6 months or so. I think this is definitely where you're going to want to be. So you should subscribe if you're not already. And you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the Katie Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a reel. Outfit of the day. Some random shit on stories. Honestly, we post a lot. We post a lot over there. So definitely follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the unboxing. I will just say, by the way, I am repeating my hair, okay? I did already do this exact hairstyle with a different outfit. I'll link the video that I did right up here. But listen, I thought it was cute, so I redid it, except I have this one little random curl here that it's just doing what she wants, okay? We're just gonna let her live. We're gonna let her live. I do have the box right here on my lap, but as soon as I show you the box, you're gonna know exactly what it is. So I'm just gonna wait 1 second, just build suspense for 1 more second. I want you guys to let me know exactly what it is. I'll also include a clip here of me actually opening up the box. I feel like if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know what it is because you saw me trying on a couple variations of this piece. But I feel like I need to get into the story. So take your last second, guess, press send, and now I will show you the box. If you know me at all, you know exactly what this is. But I will open it for you. And again, like I said, this is not a true unboxing. This box actually came with my White Lady Dior, so I'll link that unboxing right up here. I can't even open this box. What's wrong with me? Here's the dust bag, revealing my newest handbag, the ABC Lady Dior in this gorgeous green color. Look at this color, guys. You guys know, if you saw like any of my recent Instagram posts, and if you saw my 8 bags, like I said, that I'm loving video, I went off about this color because I have been on a hunt. I've been obsessed with this color. Look how obsessed I am with this color. Stop. I have been so obsessed with this color. I've been looking for the perfect bag, and when I saw Melissa Adams Wade, which I will link her unboxing right up here, she just unboxed not this exact bag, but a very similar bag. She unboxed hers, and I pretty much knew right then and there, like,
this is the green bag of my dreams. This is the one that I want.
If you guys have seen my bags that should be bought only pre-loved video, which I'll link again right up here in case you missed it, I mentioned the Lady Dior, and that's just because I think that you save a lot of money when you go pre-love for Lady Dior. I did go with Alana to look at some Lady Dior's, Lady D-Joys in the new season green color, and I was really just deciding, like, do I really want to buy this full price? And as you can guess, I decided no, that I don't want to do that. I would just have to find, if I couldn't find one on the pre-love market, I would just have to find a different green bag, because for me, the Lady Dior in store, this is a $5,600 bag, and it doesn't hold its value at all. When you buy one pre-loved, you can save a good amount of money on it, okay? So for me, I feel like pre-loved is the obvious choice, but obviously something like this is not as easy to get as like a white one or a black one. And sometimes when you see one on the pre-loved market, they're not always in great condition. So obviously it's not the easiest thing to get, but I was blessed, you guys. I was blessed. This came on Fashion File's website at the same time that they had some type of promotion going on. I don't even remember what it was. And so I pulled the trigger. And I have no regrets. Came with absolutely everything. As you probably will see in the cutaways, we've got the OG tag Like it has absolutely everything on it. It came with everything except the box, which obviously I don't mind because I have that box you just seen right there. I got this for about $1,000 off retail. Can you beat that? A little bit more actually. Can you beat that? I don't think so. So definitely when I say that you should buy this pre-loved, Lady Dior's should be bought pre-loved. I actually thought that I was gonna get this color in a micro Lady Dior or a micro DJoy, which you guys know, the DJoy is definitely not my style. It's definitely not something that was on my mind for a long time. I actually really didn't like it, but it's been growing on me, and seeing it in this color, I think just really solidified that I like it. I like it. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I like it. But when I went to the store, they didn't have a micro Lady Dior. They actually came out with a micro Lady Dior in the green color, but it was only like in Europe or like it was overseas. It's not here. It's not in the United States. It's elsewhere. And they also didn't have the micro Lady DJoy or micro DJoy because I don't know, they just don't carry that size, I guess, in the Dior boutique that I'm closest to. I kind of decided, you know what, it's gonna be harder to get the micro Lady Dior, but I'm going to get it. I'm gonna get it overseas. So I contacted a personal shopper and I said, listen, I'm gonna need you to get me this bag. I knew that it was gonna be so expensive because the micro Lady Dior is $3,800 retail. So if you add on like personal shopper fees and like import fees and things like that, it's gonna be a pretty penny. But when she came back and told me it was gonna be about $5,300, the way I said no for this little nugget, 53, stop it, absolutely not. Not too long after I politely declined that, this came up on Fashion File for less than $5,300. Even after tax. So I mean, it's clearly, I mean, I will leave a comparison video between these two sizes right up here that I filmed with the white one. Big ass difference. Okay, so it was a no-brainer for me. It has this enamel hardware, which the new season one does not have this. It comes with just regular gold hardware. So I thought it was special. I thought it was cute, and I'm over the moon. I absolutely love this. I'm so happy to make my like light green bag dreams come true. Sadly, the DJoy still remains on my mind. Will I get one? I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. What did you think that it was gonna be from that video? Honestly, this was just the one that stayed on my mind. This was the one I could not get out of my mind. It was like weeks. It's been weeks since I filmed that video and I could not stop thinking about it since then. So that's a sign. It's a sign that I need to own it. And now I do. I should remove these. I already removed the Fashion File tag actually in the first time that I filmed this video because I knew like, please, she's going nowhere. She's going absolutely nowhere. But I need to remove these too. Will I do that? I will. I'm gonna do it now. Hold on. Cannot wait to style this. I bought so many light green things before I even got this, by the way, just because I knew I was gonna get a light green bag at some point. So I just went completely loca and just bought like light green everything, like light green dresses. Well, light green dresses. I'm a dress type of bitch. We know this already. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think in the comments. Are you as obsessed as I am? Are you obsessed with this color the way that I am? Because I feel like this is the color right now. This, and I feel like yellow. A lot of people are getting into yellow right now. Obviously, I already have a yellow right back there. So this was just the clear next step. So yeah, definitely let me know in the comments what you guys think. But that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, this is me testing my mic. I am testing it because I'm not doing this again. Okay, testing.